This 2012 Keystone Outback 312BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Milford, Delaware, 19963 and is offered for sale by Delmarva RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 35 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 10, TV, oven, stovetop burner, auxiliary battery, water heater, refrigerator, spare tire kit, slide out, air conditioning, DVD player, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2012 Keystone Outback 312BH is 7,579 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.